Hey guys, in this video I will show you how Avatar Teleport works. So Avatar teleportation in the game is very simple. There are two ways you can do it. Let's start with the easy one, which is the Avatar teleport component. So place the numpad into the scene and then give it a name that you will remember. The next thing will be placing a sign into the scene and give it a component of the Avatar teleport. Once we have done that, we will be not changing the message required. We will just edit the teleportation range because we want the avatar to be spawning straight on the top of the button. And we will choose the object where the avatar is going to teleport to. As you can see, this is the easiest way to create a teleport, so I will just show you two more examples. One is going to be with NPC. I have already placed the NPC into my scene and I gave it property of an asker. Now I will change the message that will be sent out when we choose the option 1. I will add this message to the avatar teleportation. So whenever I interact with the NPC, my avatar is going to get teleported to the same button. Now let's place the numpad with trigger volume and area of detection. This can be used, for example, if you want your player to be restricted for certain areas. For example, you have an area that player needs to discover in your game, and you don't want the player to be accessing this area before they finish certain quest. So you can place a numpad with trigger volume that will teleport the avatar every time he steps in the range of the area. These are the basics for avatar teleportation. You can play with the messages, you can add your message to the enemy's killed, you can give your message to quest finished, you can place your message on a subject. It's very easy. Now let's give some visual effects to the teleport and customize it a little bit. I am going to copy and paste the teleportation numpad and I'm gonna give it a visual effect. You can choose your visual effect however you like. I like the beam because it has a effect of the teleport. You can also add a sound effect if you like. You can change the settings on your visual effect and make sure that your effect is facing your avatar. Then you can change the message, remove the collision, and hide the number. Make sure that you go to your sign and edit the message on finish. That's the message that is going to be sent out whenever your avatar finishes teleporting. This is the easiest way how you can create avatar teleportation. Let's get to the more advanced one. This is going to be using a health message that will kill our character and then using an avatar spawn point. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to change the message on my NPC that I have already created. I am going to place a door into my scene and I will remove the interaction on the message to open and I will remove the interaction and trigger on message to close. I will change the message on open door to health and I will make sure this message will kill my character. I will also edit the broadcast range to make it a little bit smaller so it's killing just my character, nothing else in the area. As you could see, the screen goes completely black when our character dies, and this is the visual effect we are aiming for. So now we can remove the collision and hide our door and save them as a preset. So once you have your preset ready, add a numpad into the scene, give it a behavior of an asset spawner, and change the message to match it with your NPC. So your doors are going to be spawned every time you talk to the NPC. Align your door with the building, remove the collision from the numpad and hide it as well. So now place the second numpad on the top of the building and give it a checkpoint component. change the activation message to the same message that you have used on your NPC and on your asset that will spawn the door. As with every numpad, remove the collision and hide the asset from the scene. So every time we talk to NPC, it will spawn the invisible door, and when we interact with the invisible door, it will kill our character and activate the checkpoint on the top of the building. This will give us a really nice effect of black screen. I like to use this way of avatar teleportation because of the black screen effect, which can be used, for example, when we are going from the outside world to inside of the building, and we want to change the scene from day to night. So there is a really nice transition in between the day and night with this black screen. Or you can use it, for example, to make your character pass out and wake up in a different place. Hey guys, if you like my videos and you would like to support this channel, you can do that by purchasing one of these cool NFTs. There will be new collection coming every week and link will be in my bio. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.